Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and this video is a one brand Swiss Beauty makeup video to go from this to this. Swiss Beauty is a brand I know a lot of us really love and enjoy using on a day-to-day basis. So I wanted to try out an entire face of Swiss Beauty makeup alone. So let's start off with the eyebrows first. For that, I have this Swiss Beauty 4D microblading effect bromance pen. This eyebrow pen actually gives you like hair-like strokes. It looks very natural. I'm not sure if you're able to see because I already have fuller looking brows, but it's so precise. I feel like I really like how my brows look, and the shade is also a perfect match. For eyeshadow, this eyeshadow palette right here with me, which is called the Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow palette, and this is in the variant Blooming Rose. So for a transition shade, I'm going to be taking this shade right here from the palette. It's a nice light pink color and it blends really well. So I just want to intensify it a little bit more with a brown shade. So I'm going to be taking this. These matte shades are really nice and pigmented. So for shimmer, I am trying to take maybe this shade. It doesn't have a lot of fallout and it's also not very foily or flaky. And then for my outer corner, I'm going to be taking this shade and probably mixing it with these two just to deepen up the outer corner a little bit, and I am achieving what I wanted with this color. Then just for my inner corner, I think I want to take this shade just to sort of highlight the inner corner like this. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty Chrome and Matte Twin eyeshadow in the shade Cinnamon Crush. So it has a shimmer on one side and matte eyeshadow on the other. This matte looks so beautiful and deep brown. I'm going to be tight lining as well with this and applying it to my waterline. Ooh, beautiful brown. And then for mascara, I have the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara in the shade Black. This is what the wand of this mascara looks like. I don't really have naturally long, elongated lashes, and it's actually lengthening it out so beautifully. Okay, can you see that? It's actually a very beautiful lengthening mascara. Not clumpy, not goopy. And this wand is so nice for the lower lash line as well. This mascara, I'm so impressed. It's giving good amount of length as well as volume without clumping and weighing my lashes down. And it's very lightweight. I really like that. So now done with the eyes. Moving on to the face. For primer, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer. It can create a long-lasting even base for your makeup. This is lightweight, mattifying, smoothens your skin and covers your pores. That's the claim on the packaging. I'm going to be just taking just a little bit of it. It's a clear primer and applying it just towards the center of my face, just towards my T-zone, because that's where I have the most amount of visible enlarged pores, and I don't really like to apply these kind of primers all over my face. It did instantly mattify my face and also blur out the pores. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera, but yeah, it looks nice and blurring. For foundation, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty High Performance Foundation. This one is in the shade Medium Beige, and this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a nice glass bottle and it comes with a pump packaging. It does have like a floral scent to it, so just keep that in mind. It has very sheer coverage and it is very skin-like. I mean, it just looks like my second skin, and I really like that. But I'm just trying to build up the coverage just a little bit to see if it is actually a buildable foundation. It has a very nice skin-like finish. It looks extremely natural. I mean, I think this would be a lot of people's everyday kind of foundation, something you can wear on a daily basis without it looking too heavy and cakey on your skin, and something you can wear to like office, college. And for concealer from Swiss Beauty, I'm going to be using their liquid concealer in the shade 05 Medium. I've been using this for so many years now, and I've recommended it a lot on my channel as well. I know a lot of people really like this concealer and use it, and I've emptied tubes and tubes of this one. This is a very brightening shade for my skin tone, but the finish of this concealer is so beautiful underneath the eyes. It's not clinging, it's not caking, it's not fading away. It just looks smooth. And now moving on to Swiss Beauty Cream It Up blush in the shade Natural Flush. Such a beautiful nude shade and very pigmented and buildable. I mean, I thought the shade was too pale for my skin tone, but it's actually looking so good. For a highlighter, I have this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter in the shade Coppery 05. Just going to be taking about that much of product because I don't want to apply too much of highlighter. It's quite intense, so I took just the right amount. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Swiss Beauty Satin Comfort lipstick in the shade Brown Bean. I love this shade. I love the formulation of these Satin Comfort lipsticks. They feel so nice on the lips, extremely lightweight and creamy matte. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the finished look. So I will make sure to link all of these products in the description box down below. Make sure to check them out, and also let me know if you have tried these products out and which one of this is your favorite in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.